Reading consonant blends. GR, gur, gur. Let's read children. Gur, grit, grit. Gur, gram, gram. Gur, grab, grab. Gur, growl, growl. Gur, grass, grass. Gur, grow, grow. Gur, grin, grin. Gur, group, group. Gur, grandma, grandma. Gur, grandpa, grandpa. Gur, grip, grip. Gur, grind, grind. Gur, grapes, grapes. Gur, grave, grave. Gur, gravy, gravy. Gur, grill, grill. Gur, graph, graph. Gur, graduate, graduate. Good job, kids.